and I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
What excitement! I'm just recording you coming into the vehicle, that's it. So when you're royalty and you're empress, you have to take a time for coming to the vehicle, you know?
I cannot. I cannot really.
Hi, hello.
Hi.
How is you?
I know.
But yet, how is you?
I is on I is on good.
Okay.
How's you?
I is hungry.
Same.
What do you see? What do you see? What do you want? How bad do you want it? So we've got croissants, but Treatz doesn't do normal croissants, so we have croissant with a frank or sausage. And we have, I had that thing over there, I don't remember the name of it, but it's like a roll with raisin and stuff, a lot of raisin, it was so good. I have the almond one around the back there, the almond croissant around the back, then you have this guava, I don't remember the name of it. You have another croissant here, and this chocolate bad boy, you know this is my vibe, this is chocolate chabla. But just be normal, talk to her, talk to her, talk to her.
She don't want to.
Hey, Michelle.
You never hear this song? Happy anniversary, my dear. Made it to 1 year. We didn't kill each other. Is it? Hi, Yanique.
I guess Yanique vacuumed it.
Hi. Did you get the tomato loaf?
I just wanted to take the time out to say happy anniversary. Oh, you all dressed up. Aww.
Oh, vehicles are 23 and they come over.
Are you guys recording?
No, not yet.
Oh shit, yes we are.
Cara, where are you? Ha! Cara, where are you? Did you press record?
Yeah.
Where am I?
Yeah, where is you?
I am some country.
What?
Why?
That's not Cara. Not those cars. Lady, you could have crossed the road and she look very
There is
familiar.
Cara.
Where? Oh. Who is this? What, earrings? Okay.
It's me.
Hello.
It's me. Say hi.
Crocodile. Start recording.
So we've been really rude.
Like I started. So we just not first.
I know, but we've been rude. We haven't been very punctual with these videos or consistent. So today is the actual day of the anniversary. Happy anniversary to us. And yes.
Okay, it's best if you just grip it like you mean it, like you love it. Okay. What are you looking at right now? What's the camera pointing at?
Yakini.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, great job.
What?
Adios, boss. Ridiculous.
I'm so afraid.
Again. I wish So what did it look or did you tell it? Did you tell her?
No, I only posted it.
Been meaning to say. Kept forgetting that today is our anniversary.
How many years?
It's a first.
First year married.
Oh, how long together?
Since 2010. So, yeah.
Just how many years?
There.
Test question. How many years
He's smart.
Thanks. It's not expected.
Yeah.
Say something actually. Okay. Just. Struggling. Car is struggling.
I got it.
Why you putting it on the tree?
Yeah.
That would be awesome. Careful. Oh, there's a handle. Wow.
Michelle, that's right, Treatz.
Thank you, Michelle. Oh, I got the back on everybody else. Let's go! Out of the hustle and bustle that is Treatz, which we love, don't get me wrong, but we couldn't have said this. Yes. Claude, my best friend, my best man, surprised us with a gift. We were not expecting anything like that. We just expect to do our thing and that's it. So we appreciate that, Claude, when you're watching this.
And Chev.
Chev as well.
Thank you guys so much.
Michael as well came and did a few photos with us. More than likely you would have already seen these because I'm going to put them up throughout the video.
We have a community.
Yeah, and we really appreciate it. Alright, on to the next location.
So, we are on the road. On the road. Burl. From a year ago.
going.
We are. I don't know how the heck to do that. But this is where we're going. Not that one. This one. Not that one. This one. Yes, this is where we're going, and that's our company too.
I would think so.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out what sriracha glazed poppers. What are poppers? I always wonder what are poppers. Crispy bites. Now's the perfect time to talk. Because the music stopped. So we're waiting to decide. We're trying to figure out what organizers we're going to eat because the menu is all of this. And all of that.
Bring it around. This one is super fat.
As in change your drink? Yeah.
Yeah, look at my boy. Look at my boy.
Just watch your family. You're teaching everything right. Oh, it's linked to our page because I was on our page when I was. Just eating.
Who needs meat?
Is it good?
Stretch it, stretch it. Oh, yeah? What do you have to say? Look at that. Hey, calm down, sir.
Okay. So this has a sweet taste. No, very sweet. That is really good. The cool guy. I remember I had one, so I said never mind.
You want a cougar?
Cool guy.
Here goes the barrel. Oh, I can't do that. There we go. I don't know why I was hiding from it.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we went to Uncorked West. That's in Fairview, Montego Bay, and we have to say the food. Let's
So
just
good.
say our bill was
Pretty,
very
but
pretty,
the
but it was
food-
worth it.
Yes.
It was worth it. I
Very
have to
much
say
worth it.
they were courteous.
Courteous.
They were courteous.
The ambience was
The
wonderful.
ambience is really, really good. The food is
Again, the food is so
Listen, Marlin, smoked Marlin.
So
We had Alfredo pasta with roasted veggies in here.
because you know we are vegetarians.
Yeah. And then we had mac and cheese with the Skelly scotch or scotch Skelly. Whatever the heck it is, just have it scotch by the pepper.
It did good.
Let it back.
It did good. Yeah.
Fish and chips.
It
It was
good.
really, really
It was
good. It was
But-
a good.
It
Go
was
ahead.
good. But yeah, this is not the end of our day, but it's gonna be the end of our video. So this, let's say it's the end of our first anniversary, our 1 year anniversary, and it was really good. We wanna thank Michael, Claude, Chev, and Cara, who's behind the camera right now, for making the day so awesome. Michelle, we cannot leave you out. And there are so many persons who sent well wishes to us. We appreciate it so much. We should be doing a live stream tomorrow, so we'll try to shout out everybody
And I'm going
tomorrow.
to put the names in as I remember them, guys. If I left
Yeah.
your name out and genuinely didn't remember, I'm not gonna.
We'll say more tomorrow on our live. But again, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Hit comment. We appreciate the comments and we miss the comments. I'm Ren,
And I'm Yan.
and we are headed home. Bye.